Hey benebabes, Steph Willis here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the perfect wing liner using roller liner from Benefit. I have a few tips and tricks up my sleeve, so if you'd like to hear them and see how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So when I start my wing liner, I always hold a mirror, and I like to keep it a little bit underneath the chin so I can get a really good angle. And I take my liner and do one thin fluid line from the very inner corner of my eye to the very outer corner of my eye. And now for the wing, I like to always imagine my brow just being extended a little bit, and you can even take your liner and place it at the corner of your eye and imagine those two lines meeting. And that's where you're going to extend your line out, and then you can see we're just going to do a fluid motion and drag that back in, and that's how you're gonna get the perfect wing. Wings are done, and my biggest #1 tip for doing a wing liner perfect every time is don't stress about it. The more you stress, the less your wing's gonna turn out, so just have fun with it and you'll be golden every time. No look is complete without some Roller Lash mascara. This is my absolute favorite mascara, and this is a curling mascara, so it's gonna make my eyes look nice, big, and open and keep my lashes separated. With mascara, I always like to take the base and start right at the bottom of my lashes, right where the roots are, and kind of give it a little zhuzh, a little wiggle to fill in those spaces, and then take it all the way to the tips of my lashes. And another trick is, if you have really thin lashes like I do, coat the top too. More is more. All right, benebabes, that is it. The perfect wing liner with roller liner from Benefit. Let me know down in the comments below if you found it helpful and if you've tried this out, because if you haven't, you should. So don't forget to follow me on my own channel, and on Instagram, it's Mrs. Steph Willis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, benebabes.